Okay, this is graph a line from an equation in slope-intercept form. The code is W5E on your 8th grade IXL. And this question says, graph this line using the slope and y-intercept. And it just gives you y equals 7. Now this level goes from 55 up to 100. So every single question from here on out is basically the same, even when you hit the challenge zone. Okay, so in our normal equation of a line, we have y equals mx plus b. Now what you'll notice is there isn't a slope. And they don't give you the y-axis intercept. It just says y equals 7. That means every single point on the line has the y value of 7. So if this confuses you, let me just pick any point. Let's pick like 1, 7, for instance. That has a y value of 7. And we can pick any other point. It doesn't really matter. Let's pick the point -3, 7. And if you plot these 2 points like this, let's do this here. How about 1, 7 over 1 up 7? Like that, right? And then -3, 7 would be -3 up 7. Okay? And it's going to form a straight line from left to right because there is no slope. If you were to go up to a hill and the hill had no slope, it'd be completely flat. And that's what's going on with this line. Every single y value is 7. Okay? So for the point 6 on the line, if your x is 6, your y is 7. If your x is -8, your y is still -7. If you can memorize it, anytime it's y equals something, it's going to go left or right. But if you can't remember what the rule is, just go ahead and pick any 2 points and make the y equal to 7. Okay, and let's click that one, and we'll try another one here. Click it. All right. Okay, so this one says y equals -1/7 x. So for this one, you don't have your y-axis intercept. It just gives you y equals -1/7 x. Another way of thinking about it is your y-axis intercept, since it's not there, is 0. So it's right here, technically. So what you can do is just go ahead and click a point at 0, 0, the origin. And then let's go ahead and do our slope. So let's rise 1, and we'll run 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to click. And that is the answer to that. Okay, let's do 2 more, okay? So this one, we have a y-intercept of 2. So let's make a dot at 2. And then we have 3, -8. So from here, we're going to rise 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to run -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's do one more, okay? So we have a y-intercept of 6, and we have a slope of 4, or 4 over 1. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, and click it. Okay, I went all the way up to 99, and I did not see this problem, but I know it's going to be something that you encounter. So let's do this. X equals -3. So we had a when it said y equals, but I want to do one when x equals -3. So remember, I'm ignoring this problem. So if x equals 3, that means on the graph, every x value is -3. So in order to solve this, just pick 2 points. It doesn't matter what the points are. Any 2 points will do. And just make your x value -3. So you could do -3, 1 and -3, 2. And again, it doesn't matter. You could pick any numbers you want. But your x value has to be -3. So if you were to plot this, negative 3, 1 is right here, and negative 3, 2 is here, and just click it. And what you'll notice is that every single x value in your line, it doesn't matter what it is, every single x value is negative 3. So the y, if your y was 8, your x is still negative 3. And that's another problem I know you're going to encounter. I just didn't see it on here, so I didn't want to make sure. I wanted to make sure that we covered it.